Timothy. Today I have made a model of my favorite public space. My favorite public space is a park. These are the trees, benches to sit, my favorite swing, seesaw, and merry-go-round. Hope you like my favorite public space. Bye bye.